Hi friends, this is Ganesh Naik. I help finance professionals and students to excel in their career and become a better version of themselves. Now friends, everybody around us is planning to do some of the other course, or they are trying to upskill themselves and trying to make sure that their CV is improved in the job market. But if you're doing this along with your full-time job, then that's going to be very, very tricky, because that would lead to more stress for you, okay? And you might be in a situation where you might not be able to focus on your work properly, or you might not be able to focus on the course that you're doing or the upskilling that you're doing. So here, a quick video for you on the 5 tips that I would like to give you if you want to manage your work properly and your study properly in the same go. The first tip is basically to make sure that whenever you're doing such a thing, you need to have a proper plan in place, which is going to help you to tackle the stress, the journey in a very efficient way. Now, if you have a plan in place, you would easily know which is the month where my work commitment can be very high, or which is the month where my study commitment is going to be very high. So having a proper plan can help you to ease out that stress, anxiety, and also will not lead you to panic during the entire preparation. The second is a very, very important tip that I would like to give you, is that communicate to your manager or your employer that you are going for an exam, or you are doing certain things which is going to help you improve professionally. Informing your manager is a very, very easy and simple task to avoid stress in your work period, because if your manager is aware about your preparation, then he might not give you certain extra activity, and this would lead to clear communication and avoid any fallout with your manager. The third and the very important part that you should understand is that you should know your limit when you're preparing for the exam and doing the work together. When I'm saying know your limit, it basically means to avoid extra commitments which is going to hamper your flow of preparation and the flow of your work. You should be able to say no to those commitments. It can be a work related commitment, or it can be a personal commitment also. You should know the limit that you have in terms of the bandwidth of time, in terms of the bandwidth of energy which you can dedicate towards that extra commitment. The fourth important point which I would like to highlight is that make sure that you use your time wisely. There are so many distractions out there right now. For example, social media, for example, your email, your WhatsApp, so many things. If you want to succeed in your effort for your preparation along with your job, then ideally you should be able to say no to those extra social activities or social media distractions which can derail your preparation and can lead to more stress. The fifth and very, very important point that you should remember is that when you're doing both the activities together, please make sure that you have your health also on your priority. You also have proper sleep, proper diet for your entire journey, because if you're compromising on that, then that means you would not be able to focus on your work, and also you would not be able to focus on the preparation properly, and this could derail the entire effort that you might have been putting for the last 3-4 months. So these 5 tips I think so will help you in a very big way if you follow it properly, if you're working and preparing for the exam. If you have any comments with respect to the content that we are producing, and also if you have any points that you want us to make videos on, please put it on the comment section. We will definitely love to create a video which our audience would be willing to look out for. And also, in case you need any assistance in times of your preparation for such a global certification like CFA and FRM, you can reach out to me. My WhatsApp number is available in the description of this video, and which you can reach out to me, put on a WhatsApp, and I will reach back to you as I get time. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for listening.